Did you know there are more insects on Earth than all other animals combined? Seriously, for every one human, there are about 200 million insects. If you're not a fan of bugs, that might be a terrifying thought. But insects are some of the most fascinating creatures on our planet. Today, we're re-diving into some mind-blowing facts about them that will totally change the way you see these tiny critters. Let's start with something you see all the time: ants. These little guys are incredibly strong. An ant can carry objects 50 times its own body weight. Imagine if you could lift a car. That's the kind of superhuman strength we're talking about. And they're not just strong, they're also master architects. Some ant colonies build complex underground cities with tunnels, chambers, and even ventilation systems. They're basically running a whole civilization right beneath our feet. Now, how about butterflies? We all love them for their beautiful wings, but did you know they taste with their feet? That's right. They have taste sensors on their feet to check if a leaf is a good place to lay their eggs and a good source of food for their future caterpillars. It's like checking if a restaurant is good by standing on the welcome mat. Speaking of strange senses, crickets have their ears on their front legs, right below their knees. So when you see a cricket, just remember, it's listening to you with its knees. Let's talk about a true survival expert, the cockroach. I know, not everyone's favorite, but you have to respect their resilience. A cockroach can live for a week without its head. It doesn't need its head to breathe, as it breathes through little holes in its body segments. It only dies because, without a mouth, it can't drink water and eventually dies of thirst. They can also hold their breath for up to 40 minutes and survive being submerged in water for half an hour. Plus, they're incredibly fast, able to run up to 3 miles an hour. For their size, that's like a human running 200 miles per hour. Moving on to the firefly or lightning bug. Their magical glow isn't just for show. It's a form of communication. Fireflies use their light to attract mates, and each species has its own unique flashing pattern. It's like a secret Morse code for love. The light is created through a chemical reaction inside their bodies called bioluminescence, and it's incredibly efficient. Almost 100% of the energy is released as light, with very little lost as heat. That's way more efficient than our light bulbs. Here's another one for you. Ladybugs. They're considered good luck, but did you know they can bleed from their knees when threatened? It's a defense mechanism called reflex bleeding. The foul-tasting yellow fluid they release deters predators like birds and spiders. So they're not just cute, they're tough. And in its lifetime, a single ladybug can eat up to 5,000 aphids, making them a gardener's best friend. What about the champions of flight? Dragonflies are the acrobats of the insect world. They can fly forwards, backward, hover in place, and even fly upside down. They have 2 sets of wings that can move independently, giving them incredible agility. They're also amazing hunters, with a success rate of over 95% when catching prey in midair. Their huge compound eyes give them nearly 360-degree vision, so it's almost impossible to sneak up on them. And finally, let's not forget the honeybee. These little workers are vital for our ecosystem. To produce just 1 pound of honey, a colony of bees has to visit about 2 million flowers and fly a combined distance equal to circling the Earth twice. And it's not just about the honey. About 1/3 of the food we eat, including fruits and vegetables, relies on pollinators like bees. Without them, our dinner plates would look a lot different. So, the next time you see a bug, maybe take a closer look instead of running away. From super strong ants to headless cockroaches and nine-eared crickets, the insect world is full of wonders and surprises. They might be small, but they play a huge role in our world. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these fun facts, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing content about the world around us. See you in the next video.